students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am your maths teacher Anjali Dayya. Let us start our topic measurement. Let's look back. Observe the length of the given objects carefully and write their measurement in the boxes. Now first, it is 12 centimeter. It is 9 centimeter. 9. Yes. It is again 9 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter. Next is 11.1 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. It is 14 centimeter and it is 13 centimeter. We use the metric system to measure length, weight and capacity. Meter, M is used to measure length. Gram, G is used to measure weight. Liter, L is used to measure capacity. Sometimes we need to measure things that are very big or very small. To do this, we add special words, prefix to these units like kilo for bigger measurement or milli for smaller ones. Let us learn about the various units of length, weight and capacity. Now, measurement of length, that is meter is the basic unit and larger units of length is decameter, hectometer and kilometer. And these are the smaller units of length, that is decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now, measurement of weight. Gram is the basic unit and these are the larger units of weight, that is kilogram, hectogram, decagram, and these are the smaller units of weight, that is decigram, centigram and milligram. Now, measurement of capacity. Liter is the basic unit and these are the larger units of capacity, that is kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, and these are the smaller units of capacity, deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Now, conversion of metric measures. First, to convert a larger unit to a smaller unit, we multiply the value by 10 for each step. Next, to convert a smaller unit to a larger unit, we divide the value by 10 for each step or multiply by 1 upon 10. Let us understand how to change larger units into smaller units and smaller units into larger ones. Now, length. किलोमीटर से मिलीमीटर तक जाएंगे तो फॉर एवरी स्टेप मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 और मिलीमीटर से किलोमीटर पे जाएंगे तो ईच स्टेप डिवाइडेड बाय 10. इन द सेम वे किलोग्राम से मिलीग्राम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10, मिलीग्राम से किलोग्राम डिवाइडेड बाय 10. सेम इन कैपेसिटी, किलोलीटर से मिलीलीटर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 एंड मिलीलीटर से किलोलीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 10 फॉर ईच स्टेप. नाउ लॉक इनटू योर ब्रेन. Here is a memory trick to remember the sequence of prefix in the metric system. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. K for kilo, H for hecto, D for deca, U for unit, D for deci, C for centi and M for milli. Now learn with fun. Winnie has designed a fun memory trick to remember the order of prefix in the metric system. Kangaroos hop daily until dad cooks meal. Can you create your own memory trick to remember the same sequence? Fill in the blanks below with your creative phrases. Now next, example 1. Convert the following as instructed. A, 25 kilometer to meter. Now solution, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. Thus 25 kilometer is 25 multiplied by 1000 is 25,000 meter. Now 1 kiloliter is equals to 1 lakh centiliter. So 11 kiloliter is equals to 11 multiplied by 1 lakh centiliter is equals to 11 lakh centiliter. So 11 kiloliter plus 300 centiliter is 11 lakh centiliter plus 300 centiliter is equals to 11 lakh 300 centiliter. Thus 11 kl 300 cl is equals to 11 lakh 300 cl. Now 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. So 1 milligram is equals to 1 upon 1000 gram. Thus 5235 milligram divided by 1000 is equals to 5.235 grams. 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. So 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Thus 741 gram is equals to 741 upon 1000 kilogram is equals to 0.741 kilogram. Now think and do. Circle the larger unit from each pair of metric measures given below. Decaliter or deciliter? Decaliter is larger. Centimeter or millimeter? Centimeter is larger. Hectometer or kilogram? Kilogram is larger. Now in text exercise 1, question number 1, convert as instructed. A, 12 kilometer to meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 12 kilometer is equals to 12 multiplied by 1000 मीटर, सो 12,000 मीटर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ए, रवि गोज टू हिज अंकल्स प्लेस विच इज 18 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम हिज होम. हाउ मेनी मीटर्स डज रवि ट्रेवल टू रीच हिज अंकल्स प्लेस? वी नो दैट 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 मीटर. सो 18 किलोमीटर इज 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 मीटर इज इक्वल्स टू 18,000 मीटर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मेट्रिक मेजर्स. We convert all the given quantities to the same unit, either a larger or smaller unit, and then perform addition or subtraction as we would with decimal numbers. Now, example 1. Add the following. A part, 30 kilometer, 67 meter and 21 kilometer, 40 meter. Now, solution. 30 kilometer, 67 meter plus 21 kilometer, 40 meter. Convert the given measures into kilometers using decimal notion and add them. 30 kilometer, 67 meter becomes 30 kilometer plus 0.067 kilometer. So it becomes 30.067 kilometer. 21 kilometer, 40 meter becomes 21 kilometer plus 0.041 kilometer. It becomes 21.040 kilometer. Now add them. 30.067 plus 21.040. Align the decimal point. Now add them. We get 51.107. Since 107 meter is less than 1 kilometer, no conversion is needed. Thus 30 kilometer, 67 meter plus 21 kilometer, 40 meter is equals to 51.107 kilometer or 51 kilometer and 107 meter. Now B part, 80 dl and 650 ml plus 425 ml. 80 dl 650 ml becomes 80 dl plus 6.50 dl, that is 86.50 dl. So 425 ml is 4.25 dl. Now add them. 86.50 plus 4.25, it becomes 90.75. Thus 80 dl 650 ml plus 425 ml is equals to 90.75 dl, that is 90 dl and 75 milliliter or ml. Now example 2, subtract the following. A part, 12 kl 500 L from 29 kl 450 L. Solution. A part, 29 kl 450 L minus 12 kl 500 L. Convert the given measures into kiloliters using decimal notions and then subtract. 29 kl 450 L is equals to 29.450 kl. 12 kl 500 L is 12.500 kl. Now subtract 29.450 minus 12.500, it becomes 16.950. Thus 29 kl 450 L minus 12 kl 500 L becomes 16.950 kl or 16 kiloliter 950 liter. Now B part, 994 gram and 99 milligram minus 562 gram 39 milligram. 994 gram 99 milligram becomes 994.99 grams and 562 gram 39 milligram becomes 562.39 grams. Now 994.99 minus 562.39. Now subtract it, we get 432.60. Thus 994 gram 99 milligram minus 562 gram 39 milligram is equals to 432.60 gram, that is 432 gram and 60 milligram. Now example 3, a water tanker contains 18 liter to 50 milliliter of water. A gardener uses 12 liter 500 milliliter of water to water the plants. How much water is left in the tanker? Now solution, quantity of water in water tanker is 18 liter 250 milliliter. Quantity of water used by the gardener is 12 liter 500 milliliter. So quantity of water left in the tanker. So we have to subtract 18 liter 250 milliliter minus 12 liter 500 milliliter and we get 5 liter 750 milliliter. Thus 5 liter 750 milliliter of water is left in the tanker. Now example 4, two friends Aman and Keyur went on a road trip. Aman drove 125 km 750 meter and Keyur drove 87 km 450 meter. How much distance did they travel together? So we have to add solution. Distance traveled by Aman is 125 km 750 meter. Distance traveled by Keyur is 87 km 450 meter. Total distance traveled by two friends. We have to add the two distances, that is 125 km 750 meter plus 87 km 450 meter. That is equals to 213 km 200 meters. Thus Aman and Keyur traveled 213 km 200 meter together. Now next is multiplication and division of metric measures. We multiply and divide metric measure just like any other numbers and then place the decimal point as needed. Now example 1, multiply the following then express the product in decimal form. A part, 12 liter 342 milliliter by 6. Solution. Just multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 by 6. We get 74052. Thus 12 liter 342 milliliter multiplied by 6 is 74 liter and 52 milliliter or 74.052 liter. B part, 27.45 meter multiplied by 22. Ignore the decimal point and multiply the number. 2745 multiplied by 22 we get 60390. Thus 27.45 meter multiplied by 22 is 603.90 meter. As we put the decimal point after two digits from the extreme right. Now, no more. When multiplying or dividing, especially with capacities or weights, be mindful of decimal points as they may shift based on the units involved. Now, example 2, divide the following. A part, 48.375 liter by 15. Solution. A part, 48.375. Now start dividing. 15 3s are 45. Minus kya 3? We have to brought down 3, but before there is a decimal. So put decimal in the quotient also and divide the leftover part. We get 3.225. Thus 48.375 liter divided by 15 is 3.225 liter. Now B part, 314.272 kilogram divided by 32. Again we divide by 32. 32 9s are 288 minus kya 26. We have to brought down 2, but before that there is a decimal, so put decimal in quotient also and divide the remaining part as usual. Thus 314.272 kilogram divided by 32 is 9.821 kilogram. Now example 3, a farmer harvested 25 kilogram 750 gram of apples from one tree. If there are 12 such trees in the orchard, what is the total weight of apple harvested? Now solution. Weight of apple harvested from one tree is 25 kilogram 750 gram. Weight of apple harvested from 12 such trees. So we have to multiply. So 25 kilogram 750 gram multiplied by 12 is 309 kilogram. Thus the total weight of apples harvested by the farmer is 309 kilogram. Now example 4. A goldsmith has 9 kilogram 450 gram of gold. He divides it into 15 equal parts. What is the weight of each part? So we have to divide. Solution. Total weight of gold with a goldsmith is 9 kilogram 450 grams. Number of parts he divides the gold into is equals to 15 equal parts. So therefore the weight of each part of gold is 9 kilogram 450 gram divided by 15 is 630 grams. Thus the weight of each part of gold is 630 gram. Think and do. A gardener needs 6 meter 25 centimeter of wire to build a fence around a small plot. Now, how much wire will he needed for 15 such plots? So we have to multiply 6.25 multiply by 15. And if the gardener has a total of 100 meters of wire, how many plots can he fence? So 100 divided by 6.25. So 100 becomes 10,000 upon 625. You can divide. Now, how much wire will remain after fencing 8 plots? 8 plots को फेंस करने के बाद कितनी? तो which is the remainder is the remaining wire. Now, in text exercise 2. Question number 1. Add the following metric measures. A part 10 km 45 decameter, 23 km 12 decameter and 78 km 21 decameter. So 10.45, 23.12 and 78.21. So we have to add 5 plus 2 7 plus 1 is 8, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 is 7, 0.8 plus 3 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9, 10 11. That is 111 kilometer and 78 decameter. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सब्ट्रैक्ट द फॉलोइंग मैट्रिक मेजर्स. ए 4 किलोमीटर 125 मीटर फ्रॉम 6 किलोमीटर 975 मीटर. सो 6.975, 4.125. 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 minus 1 is 8, 6 minus 4 is 2. That is 2 kilometer and 850 मीटर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मल्टीप्लाई द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट 18 किलोग्राम 250 ग्राम बाय 17. सो 18250 multiply by 17. 700, 7 5s are 35, 5 carry 3, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 7 carry 1, 7 8s are 56 plus 1 is 57, 7 carry 5, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 is 12, 0, 1 0 0, 1 5, 2, 8 and 1. 0 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 carry 1, 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 carry 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry 1 and 3. It becomes 310 kilogram and 250 grams. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. डिवाइड द फॉलोइंग. ए पार्ट 360 किलोमीटर 800 मीटर बाय 4. सो 360.80 divided by 4. 4 9s are 36 minus 0 0 0 8 4 2s are 8 minus 0 0 0. So 90 kilometer and 200 मीटर. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हैं बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. ए ट्रेन कवर्स अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 452 kilometer 600 meter during the day and 389 kilometer 300 meter during the night. How much farther does the train travel during the day than at night? So क्या करेंगे हम? माइनस कर देंगे 452.600 minus 389.300. So 003.4 12 minus 9 is 3, 4 minus 8 not possible, it becomes 14, 14 minus 8 is 6, that is 63 kilometer and 300 meter. ज़्यादा लंबा डिस्टेंस कवर किया है ड्यूरिंग द डे एज कंपेयर टू नाइट. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड यूज करते हुए बाकी के पार्ट्स आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. नाउ लेट्स पुट इट टुगेदर. फर्स्ट, द मेट्रिक सिस्टम इज अ मेजरमेंट सिस्टम वेयर मीटर serves as the standard unit for length, gram for weight and liter for capacity. Next, a conversion table is used to switch between larger and smaller units of length, weight and capacity. This is the conversion table. Next, we convert all the given quantities to the same unit, either larger or smaller, and then perform addition or subtraction just like decimal numbers. Next, we multiply and divide metric measures in the same way as regular numbers, placing the decimal point where necessary. तो बच्चों, आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आया, इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.